Q4 ക്വിസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് വൺ വേർഡ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ ആണ്. PSCക്ക് ചോദിച്ചു വരുന്ന പ്രധാന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഇതിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. One who believes that there is no God, atheist. One who knows many languages, linguist or multilingual. One who eats vegetables, herbivorous. One who eats flesh, carnivorous. One who cannot read and write, illiterate. One vowed to unmarried life, celibate. One who wanders without settled home, vagabond. One who eats human flesh, cannibal. One who compiles dictionary, lexicographer. One who makes maps, cartographer. One who champions the cause of women, feminist. One who introduces the performers, items of an entertainment, etc. Compare. A person who can speak two languages, bilingual. A person who had long experience, veteran. One who hates learning and knowledge, misologist. One who makes oneself feel at home in all countries, cosmopolitan. One who is sympathetic to mankind, humanitarian. One who is given to pleasure of eating, drinking, etc., epicure. One who pretends to be what he is not, hypocrite. One who lives on others, parasite. One who runs away from justice or the law, fugitive. One who believes implicitly in fate, fatalist. One who believes that pleasure is the highest tool, hedonist. One who has an irresistible tendency to steal, kleptomaniac. One who sacrifices his life for a cause, martyr. One who has suddenly risen to wealth and importance, upstart. One who cures eye diseases, oculist or ophthalmologist. One who carves in stones, sculpture. One who takes refuge in a foreign country, refugee. One who does not consume alcoholic drinks, teetotaler. One who loves mankind, philanthropist. One who hates mankind, misanthropist. One who betrays his friends, ruler, country, etc. Traitor. A person who belongs to another country, foreigner. A person who is recovering from illness, convalescent. A person given to an enemy as a pledge, hostage. One who walks in sleep, somnambulist. One who talks in sleep, somniloquist. A person who points out merits and demerits, critic. One who spends too much, spendthrift. A person having an excessive attachment to foreign living, xenomaniac. A person who lives in a foreign country, alien. A person who hates women, misogynist. A person who hates marriage, misogamist. A person who is appointed by two parties to settle a dispute, arbitrator. A person with legal right to receive property when the owner dies, heir. A person who knows a lot about the subject, scholar. A doctor who studies and treats skin diseases, dermatologist. A person who is trained in space flight, America, astronaut. A quiet and easy death, euthanasia. A war of religions, crusade. Killing of father, patricide. Study of population, demography. Study of earthquakes, seismology. Killing of a king, regicide. Study of eggs, ology. Rule by the military, stratocracy. A person filled with excessive enthusiasm, especially in religion, fanatic. Morning prayer in a church, matins. A person who breaks into a house, burglar. A person with good judgment on matters, connoisseur. Killing of brother, fratricide. Killing of mother, matricide. Killing of an infant, infanticide. A person who thinks only of himself, egoist. A person speaking on behalf of a group, spokesman. Killing of a man by another man, homicide. A person trained in spaceflight, China, taikonaut. Killing one's own parent or other near relative, parricide. A person trained in spaceflight, China, taikonaut. The murder of an important person for political reasons, assassination. A lover of books, bibliophile. A person engaged to be married, betrothed. Killing of wife, soricide. Killing of sister, sororicide. The right of self-government, autonomy. The science of the structure of the human body, anatomy. Disbelief in the existence of God, atheism. Study of birds, ornithology. The belief that there is only one God, monotheism. Study of diseases, pathology. The study of mankind, anthropology. The art of using language effectively, eloquence. A young unmarried girl, maid. Irreverence in speaking of sacred matters, blasphemy. One who looks at the bright side of things, optimist. One who looks at the dark side of things, pessimist. Place where goods are made, factory. Not concerned with spiritual or religious affairs, secular. Marriage without any religious ceremony, civil marriage. Belief that the soul passes at death into another body, transmigration. Woman with property received from her late husband, dowager. An unmarried woman, spinster. Allowance due to wife from husband on separation, alimony. A woman engaged to married, fiancé. A custom or practice of having only one wife, monogamy. Having more than one wife at a time, polygamy. A person whose age is between 40 to 49, quadragenarian. A person whose age is between 50 to 59, quinquagenarian. A person whose age is between 60 to 69, sexagenarian. A person whose age is between 70 to 79, septuagenarian. A person whose age is from 80 to 89, octogenarian. A person whose age is between 90 to 99, nonagenarian. A person who is more than 100 years old, centenarian. Not concerned with spiritual or religious affairs, secular. Study of language, philology. Study of insects, entomology. The state of being married to two persons at the same time, bigamy. The study of the origin and history of words, etymology. The study of coins, numismatics. Place where coins are made, mint. Place where provisions are kept, pantry. An unmarried woman or girl attending the bride at a wedding, bridesmaid. A relationship by blood or birth, consanguinity. Place where the clothes are kept, wardrobe. A collection of poems or prose pieces, anthology. Place where fruit trees are grown, orchard. The state of being unmarried, celibacy. Dissolution of marriage, divorce. Having more than one husband at a time, polyandry. A funeral song, dirge. Marriage with a person of lower rank or social position, mesalliance. Place where ships are made, dockyard. Animal that can live on land and water, amphibian. Widow's share of her husband's estate, dower. The condition of having one husband at a time, monandry. A poem of mourning, elegy. A lover of books, bibliophile. List of books and writings of author, bibliography. A long narrative poem about the deeds of great heroes, epic. Place where motor cars are kept, garage. Place where aeroplanes are kept, hangar. Temple of Buddhist, pagoda. Place where films are made, studio. ഓക്കെ, ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ Q4 Quiz എന്ന ചാനൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ഐക്കണിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻസുകൾ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ.